some kind of sparrows. Doug Kissel Fishing Pond. Funded by the Colorado Division of Wildlife through the Federal Wallop Bureau. Sports fishing registration. Fishing the bluegill, crappie, largemouth bass, channel catfish. Oh, interesting. Alright, what do we have? This is nice. Oh, the wind is nice. Seems like a chill deer. There are a couple ducks. Oh, nice blue-winged teal. What's the sparrow with the red on the head? Oh, I've seen you before, haven't I? Shipping sparrow, nice. Might be a yellow-headed blackbird. Here's a display. That's cool. saw it. It's a yellow rumped. There it goes. It's up by the railroad. Up by the train. There's a bunch of these. Warbler. Don't know if that was a yellow-headed blackbird. It might not have been. It was in these trees, wasn't it? Over by the water's edge here. There was a pair of sparrows, I think. Doesn't sound good. Over the water. There goes a killdeer. Cliff swallows used to have nests here. Well, they still do, but not active, clearly. So otherwise I'd be hearing them. Or another killdeer. There's a gazebo over there. I don't feel like walking that far. A lot of mud. I really don't want to walk through the mud. Sorry. Man, what's that killdeer? I don't. I'm misidentifying that. That might not be. Oh, okay, that one was. killdeer. There we go. Hello. Huh. You're not the rope. But I'll take it. Oh, come on. Hold still for 2 seconds. This is a... There we go. Those are good ones. That's good. That's probably the first good one we've gotten today. Excellent, excellent. You really don't slow down, do you? Nice. Alright. That is the northern yellow warbler, formerly just a yellow warbler. That was not the one I saw before. The one I saw before was very clearly had the black to it. Female red-winged blackbird is there. Need to add a couple sparrows and finches. I mean, if you're going to hang out right here. Nice, 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 nice. Does not sit still, does it? That's awesome. That's probably the best photos I've ever gotten of a northern yellow warbler. Little buddy. Oh, he's so small. Nice. Nice. Alright.